My voice is shit, so someone else will narrate this.
So you have a business, then deduct everything. Here's the thing, if a business needs something to function, the money you spend on it isn't taxable, so you want to buy yourself Rolls-Royce, well, so buy it on the company and you still get to use it without paying taxes. The art market is like the Wild West, it's not regulated like other assets. Say that you earn a 5 million a year and you decided to blow it on a painting since the artwork cost the same as you're earning, no taxes are needed to pay that year. The most interesting part is after say 2 years you can decide to get a profession appreciator to say that painting value has been appreciated to 10 mil. Now you can either sell it to get profit or you can donate your painting to your own foundation and get a tax deductible worth of 10 mil. So the second way companies use to avoid paying taxes is using shellcore. Companies avoid taxes by setting licensing companies in tax-free countries such as Dubai, Ireland, Bahamas, Panama. So think that your company operates in United States. The company needs to pay a license fee to your shell corp in order to keep using and selling product in US. Your US company gets a nice tax deductible for it. Also, by this method money can be moved to tax havens without trouble. Think that you are a person that's fully paid in cash. So what can you do is incorporate yourself. By that you can channel your wages into a nominal corporation, so you're able to get interest-free wage, claim expenses, and then reduce income tax. Did you know you can gift things to people and the gift is non-taxable? There is a $15,000 cap on the gift, though. If the gift is worth less than the $15,000, you don't have to tell the IRS about it, as it counts as a non-taxable event. $15,000 might not sound like a lot, but there's more room to maneuver. As of 2021, the lifetime gift exemption is capped at
$11.7 million
in the US. As long as each gift is less than $15K, $11.7 million in tax-free wealth.
Municipal bonds. Governments at every level issue municipal bonds to finance large-scale projects like schools and highways. And of course, any investment into the government is seen as a no-risk investment. But not only will you get your money back for sure, earnings from municipal bonds are exempt from federal income taxes. So let's say you an average person who is in the 28% tax bracket. If you purchase a municipal bond that pays 5% interest, that's the equivalent of getting a 7.5% return on investment, because you don't have to pay income tax on that 5%.
Let's say you bought a $50,000 house in cash in a developing neighborhood, and after a couple of years, the value of the house increases to $75,000. You can go to the bank and get a cash-out refinance for 80% of the value of the property, giving you back $60,000. Now use your rental income to pay the mortgage and take the $60,000 and put it into another house and repeat this process over and over again. If you start the cycle in your late 20s, by the time you hit your 60s, you will have made hundreds of thousands of dollars by leveraging your equity, all while avoiding long-term capital gains taxes.
Another common method used by wealthy people is to use charitable donations. Let's say you have a foundation, the money or the properties given to the charity is not taxable. That's why many of the famous people have some sort of charitable foundation under their name. Now the cherry on top of this is that these foundations can have deductible expenses to function, so you can donate land or vehicle or anything to a charity and you can use them without paying a single penny in taxes, and you can also get a nice tax deductible to use.
Unless you're rich, you might not be aware of this. If you're rich and you die, the state taxes up to 45% of the wealth you want to pass on to your children. It's called an estate tax. To avoid this, wealthy put their assets under a trust controlled by them or trusted ones.
Hope you learned something and put it into good use. No money laundering, I hope. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like and share to help the channel. Odd Guy out.